Righto guys, I will quickly show you how to do a hygiene cycle on the dishwasher. So every couple of weeks when it's reached a certain amount of cycles that it's gone through, it'll flash and say, oh sorry, hygiene program recommended. So when that happens, very simple, just put it through a hygiene cycle. Yeah. The way we do that is before you close it at the end of the day, so it's not drained or anything like that, it's just had its last dishes put through. Come down under the sink, out of here, you grab 2 of these dishwasher tabs, chuck them in, take this out, just put that down there, close the hood, and then, oh you bastard, don't turn on, come down and we want to select this has just started a cycle, but we're gonna change it. We want to select hygiene. See hygiene there? Okay. Back. Well, we're gonna open this. Alright, now we've started a new cycle. It's on its hygiene cycle. That's literally it. Once this is finished, it'll automatically drain itself, clean itself, and it's all good. It's done for the day. So that's how you do a hygiene cycle.